everyone, welcome back to my channel, and this is Glory, and today's video is going to be about another Meesho haul. And I got some stuff from Meesho. This is for kitchen as well as you can use it for your living room. And yeah, without any further delay, let's begin into the video. First product which comes in my hand is this baskets. This is organizing baskets. Got two sets of this basket, guys, and this is in blue color. It comes with a 3 set. Like this is a big one, this is a big one, and this is a medium sized one, and this is a small one. And I got 2 sets. Okay, this is how it looks. The quality of this product is so good, it will not even bend. So I just liked it so much. I like to organize things. So I got this blue one, and the other one is this peach color. It is not a pink and pinkish peach color. And this is also comes in 3 sets, and the same like the blue one. And the big one, a medium sized one, and this is a small one. And you can definitely check out these, guys. And I think one set is for 250, something like that. And if you buy 2 sets, and I think you will get it for 320 rupees. And this is such a good deal. I really recommend this product to you guys. It is so beautiful and the quality is just amazing. Yeah, this is the first product. Product is this beautiful lamps, guys, and I got 1 set here. And I will show the first one. This is the first one, and this is in yellow color, and it is made up of with metal, and they gave this star design, and they gave one hanger here. You can hang it, or if you want to keep it anywhere, you just keep it. So this is made up of with this is a glass, okay, and you have opening here. You can open this one like this, okay, and they gave 1 candle. So you can just keep it like this, and you can just close, and that's all, guys. And this is a beautiful lamp for a decoration purpose. For decoration purpose, it just looks so amazing. And the next one is red color one, and this is so amazing. I just love this color a lot. And the same one, like they gave hanger and star design and the glass, and again they gave 1 handle, and you can open here and I can fix it. And this is how it looks. These are just amazing, guys. I forgot the price. I'll mention all the prices in the description box. So this is how it looks. It just looks perfect for a decoration purpose, and it is so inexpensive, guys. And if you see on Amazon and Flipkart, it is so expensive. And you can definitely check it out, these beautiful lamps on Meesho, and I really like it a lot. And this is the second one. The product is this a camera stand, guys. It comes in this bag, and this is how it looks, and I think I got it for 350 rupees. This is a tripod stand, and you can open like this, and you can put your phone and you can start filming. And this is perfect for beginners. You can adjust here, you can adjust here as well. So this is how it looks. I don't say this is a great product, and this is okay product for beginners. You can try with this product. For the price, it is okay. And this is a third one. The next product is, I did not open this. This is a lighter. I'm just opening this one. Yes, I was searching for this lighter for a long time, and finally I got one for myself. And it is very difficult to light the candles. So yes. So it is so beautiful, and it serves the purpose. And they gave here a lock. If you lock and you cannot press this one, if you unlock this one, you can press this one. So yes, I just liked it. I'm going to light the candle here. Just see this one, how it is going to work. Yes, this is just so beautiful. I like it. They gave this flame control. Okay, if you turn to -1, I hope you can see this one. -1. So the flame will come very little. Yes, the flame is coming very little. And if you turn to the plus symbol, the flame is coming. Yes. So I really like this product a lot. You can use it for your kitchen also. And I just liked it, guys, and I definitely recommend this product, and I'm so happy that I got this one. And this is originally priced for 320 rupees. I think I got it for 160, something like that, and I really like this product a lot. And the next one is this hand towel, guys. It comes with a set of 6 hand towels, and it comes with a different colors like green, orange, yellow and light green, and this is pink and blue. And a pink and blue I already used that, and this pink color I washed it. It was looking exactly like a new one. So after a wash also it is looking the same. The color did not fade away, and the texture, everything is same, guys. And I'm really impressed about this Meesho hand towels. Though the quality is not that great, I can say it is little bit rough. It is not so smooth. I got some towels from Home Center. It was so beautiful. It was so soft, and I cannot compare the quality with that towels, but for the price it is so amazing. So you can definitely check out these towels, guys, for if you want to just use it for home, for wiping your hands, and definitely you can go for this. And that's all about this, guys. These are all the products which I got from Meesho, and I really like the quality for this price, guys. It is so amazing, and you can definitely check it out. I will leave all the product codes in the description box. Please check it out. And yeah, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please hit like button and subscribe to my channel. And thank you so much for watching, guys. I will see you in my next video. Until then, bye.